A tyre blowout can happen without warning, but how you respond can prevent a crash. Stay calm, stay in control, and you'll stay safe. That loud bang, a strong pull to one side, and the jolt of losing control is a stressful moment, but knowing what to do can keep you and others safe. In this Drive Smart video, we'll walk through what to do during a blowout and how to reduce the risk with simple tyre maintenance. Tip 1. Know the warning signs. A blowout isn't always just a loud pop. Look out for a strong pull to one side, flapping or thudding sounds, or sudden vibration in the steering wheel. If you notice these signs, it's time to act. Tip 2. Stay calm and in control. Your first reaction might be to hit the brakes, but don't. Instead, hold the steering wheel firmly, ease off the accelerator gradually, steer straight and let the vehicle slow down naturally. Once you've reduced speed, gently apply the brakes and move to a safe spot. Tip 3. Front versus rear tyre blowout. A front tyre blowout, the car may pull hard to one side, counter-steer gently. A rear tyre blowout, you might feel the back of the car swaying. Keep steady on the wheel. The golden rule is no sudden steering, no harsh braking. Ever had a tyre blowout? How did you handle it? Drop your story in the comments. We'd love to hear how you stayed safe. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a safety tip. Remember, when you drive smart, you drive safe. See you in the next video. Tip 4. Pull over and stay safe. When you've stopped in a safe place, turn on your hazard lights, check the damage, and if you have a spare and know how to use it safely, you can change the tyre. If not, call for roadside help. Tip 5. Prevent blowouts before they happen. Most tyre blowouts are preventable with regular maintenance. Check your tyre pressure, both under and over inflation are risky. Inspect the tread depth. Worn tyres are more likely to fail. Look for cracks, bulges or embedded objects, and follow your manufacturer's guide for tyre rotation and replacement. Tyre blowouts can be scary, but with the right response they don't have to become dangerous. Stay calm, steer straight and take care of your tyres. Thanks for watching another Drive Smart video. Subscribe for more. When you drive smart, you drive safe.